See you the next time. Is that? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to laugh. I'm laughing because that's probably what I look like wheezing. I'm so sorry. I probably look like that. Wheeze. Oh no! I'm sorry. I can't help it. I look at it and I totally feel that it's me. I made the GIF version from that image. Thank you very much for your service, sir. Oh, and you know what? Thank you Azlans for the lovely fan art. Crazy Dogo evolved to Crazy Frog. Wheeze. Ako nga papa. Ako, daripada ako katawanya so imot ya kan.